1. What is ITI? Industrial Training Institutes, ITIS, are government-run or private institutions that provide vocational training to students. These institutes aim to equip students with industry-relevant skills to make them job-ready. ITIS were established with the vision of addressing the rising need for skilled labor in various industries and sectors. ITI courses cover a wide range of specializations, such as electrician, training in electrical installations, maintenance, and repair; fitter, skill building in assembling, installing, and maintaining machinery; mechanic, hands-on training in automobile, refrigeration, and air conditioning systems; computer operator, developing skills in data entry, office automation, and IT support; welder, expertise in welding techniques for construction and manufacturing. By focusing on practical training and real-world applications, ITIS play a crucial role in bridging the skill gap in the job market, ensuring that students are equipped for both local and global job opportunities. 2. Why choose ITI? Choosing ITI comes with several advantages, making it a preferred choice for students seeking a practical and career-focused education. Here's why ITI stands out. Practical learning. ITIS prioritize hands-on training over theoretical knowledge. Students work with real tools and equipment, gaining direct experience. Affordable education. ITI courses are significantly more affordable than traditional degree programs, making them accessible to students from diverse backgrounds. Industry-relevant training. ITIS designed their curriculum in collaboration with industries to ensure that the skills taught align with market demands. Short duration courses. ITI courses are typically shorter, 6 months to 2 years, enabling students to enter the workforce quickly. Immediate employability. Graduates are job-ready and often receive placement offers directly from industries. Diverse opportunities. ITI certificates are recognized across a wide range of industries, offering opportunities in manufacturing, construction, IT, and more. 3. ITI, a pathway to success. ITI programs have paved the way for countless success stories. Here are some highlights. Career growth. ITI graduates often secure jobs as technicians, operators, and supervisors in sectors such as manufacturing, construction, automotive, and IT. Entrepreneurial opportunities. Many ITI alumni have launched their own businesses, such as workshops, repair services, or small-scale manufacturing units, becoming successful entrepreneurs. Government jobs. ITI qualifications are highly valued for technical roles in government sectors, such as railways, public works, and defense. International opportunities. With certifications that meet global standards, ITI graduates can explore jobs in countries facing shortages of skilled labor. Examples. An ITI-trained electrician finding employment in a multinational company's maintenance department. A welder gaining recognition and securing contracts in shipbuilding industries. 4. ITI, the future of skilled workforce. The importance of ITIS in shaping a skilled workforce cannot be overstated. Here's why ITI graduates are essential for the future. Rising demand. Industries across the globe face a shortage of skilled professionals. ITIS fill this gap by producing trained and job-ready individuals. Government support. Initiatives like the Skill India Mission and Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana (PMKVY) actively promote vocational training. Financial aid, scholarships, and placement support are provided to ITI students. Economic growth. A skilled workforce boosts industrial productivity, contributing to the nation's economic development. ITIS play a vital role in supporting the Make in India initiative. Technology integration. ITIs are increasingly incorporating modern technologies such as automation, robotics, and digital tools into their training programs, preparing students for the industries of the future. Global recognition. Many countries now recognize ITI certifications, offering lucrative opportunities for Indian professionals abroad. 5. Call to action. Are you ready to take the first step toward a rewarding career? Here's how ITI can help you achieve your goals. Explore ITI programs, visit official ITI websites or contact nearby institutes to learn about available courses and specializations. Seek guidance, reach out to career counselors or ITI alumni for advice on choosing the right course. Enroll today, don't wait. Enroll in an ITI program to gain the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your chosen field. Shape your future. With ITI, you can build a successful and fulfilling career, unlocking opportunities in both local and global markets. The journey to a brighter future begins with a single step. Take that step today by joining an ITI program and equipping yourself with the skills needed to thrive in the modern workforce.